It's coming.
And I know me and my computer.
What is that?
USB stick.
My USB stick.
Your
What are you
USB
doing?
chick?
Who killed him?
Your USB chick?
You're on my USB stick.
Chick? Chick. Is this the only time he washes his hands? Jeez. How sick.
Smell it? It's your sweet grape. It's
Grape?
pretty late, isn't it?
Let's show off your shirt.
Dad, is that your watermelon?
Yeah.
It's cool watermelon.
Okay, open it. Where is it? Let's see.
Well, right there. It's like,
Sure?
Yeah.
So what?
yeah, well, the remote,
check it.
I was just laying it on my chin.
The remote.
Yeah, the remote.
What?
And you got a splinter from that.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
It's not from the candy caramel apple?
No, it's not.
No?
How long have you guys had that?
Honey, what the hell are you doing? Come here.
What?
Shh,
Brandon, what are you
why?
doing?
Oh, crap.
Dad, how long have you guys had that radio for?
No one's referring to the time. What? No one's referring to the time.
How long have you had that radio for, he said.
I don't know.
Green giant. Honey.
What? I'm hungry.
Well, me too.
Stop it.
Oh, did you text anybody?
You're gonna have to text
Stop,
first.
you two.
What? What?
Nothing.
What?
Okay, Braden, don't.
Let me see it.
Braden, don't.
Let me see it.
Baby,
What's going on?
let me see.
Okay, come. We're gonna go get. Alright, good night. What?
Nothing. Let me see your chin.
Oh, that's the remote.
Your turn.
I'm getting creepy.
What is that?
It's a sliver thing.
What? A sliver
guys
for?
are-
Yeah,
little weight?
I don't know.
Is that what it is? I know it's protein day How sick you are!
Backfired on us. Jeez. Well, that sucks.
Brain, that's Mom's purse.
I know.
With his money in my wallet. You gonna show how much you made?
Yeah.
That's how much he made.
Yeah, I made so much money that I just bought my way through getting my learners.
That's novice.
I thought it was a new driver.
Okay. Bye. Say bye, Brain.
Okay.
Where's the money?
Say bye.
Where's the money?
Bye. It'll be overtime.